Hey everybody, it's Rhonda Trout from Earned Not Filtered. If it looks perfect, it ain't mine. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my mama's dumplings. And everything's in cursive. I know y'all can read it, but that's just a waste of time. But I'm going to tell you that you're going to need 3 eggs, flour, milk, and a stick of butter. So let's get started. We're going to melt our butter. I probably should have had this melted to get you started. But anyway, I'm going to read the instructions to you, and they're not going to make sense until we do it together. So the instructions are: melt a 1/4 pound of butter, which is 1 stick. Mom has it written in margarine. Well, I don't do margarine. While still in the heat, add about 4 tablespoons of flour. This is the tablespoon Mom's talking about, trust me. Until it sticks together, add milk until thick but mixable. Then you take it off the heat and add 3 eggs one at a time, and then about 4 tablespoons of flour. Should stick together. And then we'll talk about the boiling part later. So I'm going to turn this up high so I get that butter melted. So I'll go over here because I'm not prepared. That's where all my stuff is. Okay, so let's melt the butter. Scroll on because, you know, I'm not a professional at this. And I usually do it up high and then drop it down. And there's so many things that you can change on this, but I wouldn't, because I've substituted things and it didn't come out right. And it's taken me a long time to get this right, that my husband loves these dumplings, and I hope you do too. Mom made these dumplings with chicken, the boiled kind. Ugh, I don't recommend. I mean, I loved it as a kid, chicken dumplings with rice and gravy. And I don't know about you, but boiled chicken is not palpable. Is that the right word I want? So we get this stick melted. Another thing that you can do, I'm not going to show it at the end because it's self-explanatory. Leftover, I have a speech impediment, sorry. Dumplings are great fried. And all you do is you slice them up, fry them until they're nice and golden in butter, and oh my God, yum, yum. You can mix it with another meal or just eat as a snack. Snack. Is that they used to say it? I don't know. I'm too old for that. Snack and schmack the stuff. I do use it every now and then. Like the word schedule. No, I say schedule because I don't know why, but it sounds funny. Okay, so our butter is all mixed. Now we add about 4 tablespoons of flour. And this is the way I do it. You do it the way you do it, but one at a time. So we mix that flour in. That's 1. 2. 3. Sometimes I have to add 5. It depends. You know, do the best you can. It's not going to be perfect the first time, because trust me, I didn't get it right the first time. And then 4. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay? Now, we add 3 eggs. So we take this off the burner because we don't want to make scrambled eggs now, do we? Okay, so here's the fun part. And you do this one at a time. Trust me, I try to do it all at 3. Shake the flour off your spoon a little bit there. You mix that in so it's nice and goopy. Well, until it mixes together. Sometimes I can't get it right. And look, an eggshell in our dumplings. We don't want that. So get a big shell. You scoop that puppy out. Ta-da! Got it out first try. Okay, we mix that one. I have this on a neck. Oh, look, another shell. Oops. All right, so we mix that in, get it nice, and then we add the third one. See if I can do that without dropping shell. Hey, good job, Rhonda. And get that mixed in really good. You don't want any of the runniness. You want it compact. Yeah, if you don't get that eggs mixed in real good, I mean, you're all seasoned. Let me turn my burner off. All seasoned cooks, so you know about mixing well. Now, the fun part, as soon as I figure out what I did with my, where did I put it? The recipe. Okay. Bear with me here. Now, we add 4 more tablespoons. No, I missed the milk. Okay, now we add a little bit of milk. You don't need much, and I'll show you here in a second. You kind of have to eyeball it. Okay. Looks like creamed corn, doesn't it? Okay, now we add about 4 more tablespoons of flour, one at a time. Scrape the sides really good, trust me. Don't make the mistake I did about leaving it. Kind of hard to do this, but you know, one day I'll get better at this. So yeah, my phone's going to be shaky because it's hanging from my neck. I'm one of those doohickeys. Was that 2? 3. You can see now it's clumping up. And then the 4th tablespoon. And these have to be heaping, guys. I know I have eyes and everything, but make sure your spoonfuls are heaping and not, you know, just a little bit in there. No. You want a good amount in there. Okay. This is about what you want to have it look like. You can have it a little thicker. I'll add another spoonful just for good measure. Because you don't want it too thick. But trust me on this. This is what it wants to look like. Get all that flour out from the bottom. Well, I guess I'm going to have to do some editing. Or maybe not and just leave it in there because, you know, I'm lazy. And it looks like that I messed up with the brightness. And I don't know how to fix it. Nope. That makes it worse. Oh, help me. What did I do? There we go. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to put this on pause so I can get the hot water boiling.